Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you every fidget that I have part 3, so let's start. And this might be the last part. So we have this puppet bracelet. Also have this thing that you can like push. It's a dinosaur. And lots of like monkey noodles. There's lots of colors like green, pink, purple, and yellow. And some small pop tubes like red and yellow. And we got some poppets, also keychains, and also there's another wacky check and another poppet, and here's a poppet bracelet. These two are the ones that I made by myself. You can like push these, and these you can also push the eyes. This one also, you can push the eyes, and you can just push these. And you can just do this and it makes a sound. And then you have like a puzzle cube, a taco, and also these things you can push, and so yeah. And then we have this swan balloon thing that you can just play around and squish it. And there's more of these thingies. Another pop tube and another monkey noodle. They're both purple. We have some emoji. This one's a bunny and this one's a polar bear. Then we have a banana, a cherry, a watermelon, orange, a strawberry, an avocado, another avocado, an elephant, a dinosaur, and also there's a unicorn. And then we also have these hearts, and then we also have this cat bush thing, and then we have these other keychains, other pop-it rings, and then we also have this bat that you can push and then push back. Then one of these things that you can open it, and ow, you can just put it on your arm. Then we have another skateboard, and another one, and a maze thingy. It's an airplane. Here are the peas. And we also have an earth, and another fidget spinner, or educational thing. Another one, another one, another one, so many more. And more of these. And then I have a gold fidget spinner, a black fidget spinner, and this is a purple one. This one's a heart poppet. This one's a heart poppet, and here's a heart maze. Here's some glasses. Oh, and then also there's fidget spinners. And see. I have these bracelets, and so yeah. And if you can I have a fidget spinner, another one of those bracelet things, and then a maze thingy, and then a watermelon and a pineapple. And we also have this another pea. And we also have this fidget spinner, and this one, and this one, and this one, and this one. Dang it, I bought too many of those. And another monkey noodle, and it's orange. And then we have another fidget spinner, and another ring, and one of the bicycle chains, another bicycle chain, a seal. Here's a cherry emoji. Here's a dinosaur pink emoji. Here's a bee, and then here's And here's a mochi and another one. And on those bracelet things, an avocado thing. And there's another heart puppet. And there's more puppets. This one, this one, this one, this one. And we also have these human things that you can just build them. And then another slinky with a face. And we also have another pea. And then we have a dinosaur and a heart puppet and a heart kitchen. And this was my very first fidget toy. Because look, you can just move it around and stuff. It was my very first fidget. Like, I took away some fidgets, but this is my actual. Here are some apples and another fidget spinner. It's tiny. And then we have a puzzle ball. Then so many more of these rings. And we have a butterfly. If you don't understand this, I'm gonna be speaking Spanish for one part. Esto es una parte, sí, tú puedes jugar con esto como así. Eso es cosas de los bracelets. Now we have a puzzle thing and a car, an orange, and another chocolate, and this mochi, and another mochi, and then this puppet, and then this one, and then this thing, the maze thing, and this thing you can just push down and it goes out the butt. Then I'll probably brace another one, a car and a bunny mochi, and a maze thingy, one of those marbled stuff, a puppet ring, a heart puppet, a mochi, a car. 2 more of these fidget spinners, and these are the last ones. And then we have this puppet, then this one, and this marble thing. Then this is the same thing as the other one that I showed you, and that one. And we also have this thing that you can just, like, it can move around. It's like you can play with it. And then here is another heart, and here's a ball. It's a maze ball. And here's another banana mochi. Here's two ring mochis, and here's a teddy bear mochi. And here is a puppet. Here is a bicycle chain, and these 2 fidget spinners. This one's green, this one's blue. And that's every fidget toy that I have. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye.